So I just want to share to you about our changes, about our house when I wake up. Plus, when I just stay out inside the house, then I get out. They already trim our rambutan tree. That's why it's already very hot in this area. Then my wife and my daughter put a net in this area. When I have an inspection this early morning, I noticed that there's a small staghorn coming out. And you can see outside, that is the last end of the rambutan that my wife hired some person to cut this one by using the chainsaw. Have you noticed that? Or it's already cut. Then we have plenty of shoot coming out here. Some other bonsai materials in here rearranged. That is the bugtae or kalyus, and that is my ficus nana. They don't have area to put on, so they just put on the ground. And I noticed one of my bonsai materials, that is wire, has already died. Then these are the arrangement that my wife arranged my bonsai materials. So down here is a ficus microcarpa and the other microcarpa, and we have a small tugas bato there. So we move to other area. So last time there's a cage of chicken in this area, but they transferred the cage over on the back of our house. So for this morning, I just want to share to you some bonsai materials that one of them I already done yesterday, which is I put it back here. So that is the one that I worked yesterday. So very nice. Then I think I have to get that one. And maybe there are some other bonsai materials that I try to work. Maybe video to be shared for this morning vlog. So I have already pending videos that I'm waiting for my daughter to upload that on my channel, because I do not know how to upload. So that is around 10 or 12 videos already, because almost in one day I make maybe 3 videos or 4. So it's very hard for me. So let's go. I get that bonsai materials there, then I'll be starting working now. So time to start. So I got 3 bonsai materials in here. So this is an Argao Taiwan, so need to be trimmed. Supposed to be rewired also, but it's hard for me to rewire, so I just trim it, then put it down. This is by the way, I will check to 360 views, so it's not so nice, but it's okay for me because ito lang ang makaya kong gawin. So my ability to make it beautiful is limited, so that's why this is the only locks that I can share to you of my bonsai materials in here. So bugat-bugat ng pot because it is ceramic, so followed by a plastic pot. We have another one here, is a tugas bato. As you can see, it looked like not anymore a bonsai materials, it looked like what we call that weeds or grass. This is the problem with this kind of grass. It's very hard to take off. So that is the 360 Then we have another one here. It is Argo Taiwan. Then need to be what called is trim or supposed to be rewire, but it seems, as I mentioned a while ago, that it's very hard for me to rewire at this moment. Then so we put it down, then start with the other one here, which is an exposed rod bonsai materials named Argao Taiwan. So this supposed to be this is supposed to be, when I started this one, supposed to be up to here only, but it seems it's I get wrong, so I just leave it to up to this height. That's why in other place it look like in other name of this one look like a tickling. They call that tickling if you had long legs, then small, not big, called tickling. Other in Bisaya, payangkaw. So just hope that my video is not too long. So time to So I'm done already with the three bonsai materials I have here. So this is the exposed rods tugas bato. So this is supposed to be rewired again, but I cannot do it right now. So maybe next time I will take off the wire, then depollute this one because the leaves is become bigger already, so it needs to depollute this one so that the leaves will become smaller. So this is now the 360 view of my bonsai materials of small tugas bato. Then For the other ones, this is Argao Taiwan. So this is my plant it here. So I did not cut this branch here because it is very small. So I need to make this bigger. So this is my 360 of my small bonsai materials, which is Argao Taiwan. And the other one here is also Argao Taiwan, and this is how it looks. So every time I make a design of a bonsai, I just leave it what we call it natural way. Like this one, I plant this one before, but it seems that it is the root is going out. That's why I make it exposed root. So this is the 3 bonsai materials that for this morning I will be sharing to all of my viewers and subscribers. Then I just keep on sharing my bonsai materials here at home, even though I try it hard to make it, but it is my task to share my bonsai materials because it is my hobby that I'm very proud of it, even though my bonsai is not so nice. So once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.